Good day, I'm James. We'll be showing you how to set up Listen-Listen with Carlson Surv CE with two Carlson BRX6 pluses and a Carlson Mini. So first of all, turn on your bass and Rover and turn on your Carlson Mini, whichever you're using. Ensure your data logger is disconnected from the internet. Go to the data logger settings, connections, Wi-Fi. We see that it is not connected. Okay, so we will open up Surv CE. Once in Surv CE, we will go to Equipment. Also, just a note, make sure that your GSM antenna is in the correct slot with the red line on it. This is a basic test. Once you're in Equipment, go to GPS base. Select Carlson from the drop-down menu and BRX6 Plus in this case. And we'll go to Comms, Bluetooth, Windows Mobile. If we do not have the base already in, we can hit the wrench and we can find device. It has picked up our two devices. We have to select the correct one as the base, which is 1022. Green check. And then connect. We will place the SIM in the base. The Listen-Listen only works with the SIM in the base, which will be AT&T or T-Mobile. We push the SIM in here, above the battery. Push it in until you hear a click. So with comms set up already, we'll go to receiver. BRX6 is correct. And we set the antenna height of the base. We'll just put it in as 2 meters for this test run. Then we will go to RTK. We select internal GSM. We select Listen-Listen. And we put the port number in here next to Listen-Listen with the wrench. We put the 4-digit port number in there. RTCM 3.0 must be selected. I've just covered it up because my port number's in there. The green check. So we'll hit the wrench for internal GSM settings. That says T-Mobile. It automatically puts in the APN details. Hit the green check. Hit the green check again. Device is configured. So we'll hit the green check. You can read from GPS. Read 10 shots. Yes, we'll continue with base setup. Successful. Save settings, yes. The green check. Yes. And now for the Rover. Just a quick reminder, GPS base and Rover to put the GSM antenna in the correct slot where the red mark is on the side. The base and Rover. It's a common error. We go to GPS Rover. go through exactly the same process as the base. We go to comms, we find the device, Windows Mobile. We already have paired it. That is serial number 1068. We select that. We go to receiver. The Rover is connecting now with the Bluetooth, as you can see the blue light. So now we need to put the height in on this unit. We are using the quick release. Bear in mind you must add that to the height, which is 40 millimeters, onto the 2 meter Rover pole. So we have in here 2.04. If you're using the standard Imperial, it will be 6.693 feet, but we're using metric in this job. We go to RTK, we select the data collector for the internet, and we must be sure that the data collector is connected via Wi-Fi. On iPhone, we'll put the personal hotspot on over here. To check if it's connected, we can push this button on the Carlson Mini, go to Windows, Settings, Connections, Wi-Fi. There you have your list. At the moment we are connected to Office Wi-Fi, which we don't want to be. We want to connect to my iPhone. Next, put your network key in. Finish. Connect. We didn't see if it connected. We'll press this again. Windows, Settings, Connections. So it's connecting and connected. So we're good. Here, as we said, put in our port number. Here we put in our 4-digit Rover port number from Carlson. I just blocked it up because mine's in there. We hit the green check. Hit the green check. And we'll hit the green check. So it's set up successfully. We are now ready to survey. Mounted a sky plot. We're in float because we're inside. Survey, still points. And there is our survey screen. So there we have a fix. So there with the BRX6 Plus, Carlson Surv CE and Listen-Listen, we have a range up to 50 kilometers between the base and Rover, 31 miles. Thank you from Alan Build. See you soon.